Hi, I'm Francina, the clinic manager at our Total Health Systems location in St. Clair Shores between 12 and 13 on Harper Avenue. I'm going to give you a brief tour, so just come right on in. All right, so to our right, we have a set of bathrooms, and to the left, we have our front desk where you'll sign in. And at our front desk, we have our two physical therapy rooms. So over here, we have Michael Siska. He's graduated from Wayne State University and has been working with Total Health Systems for 14 years. He really likes the team approach that we have here to help our patients regain function and return to activity. This is Crystal, our healthcare assistant here at St. Clair Shores. She's studying to be an ultrasound technician and she loves to work out in her free time. Over here we have Gretchen. She's our physical therapy assistant who's been working here for almost 5 years now. If she's not correcting your technique or teaching you new exercises, she is sharing recipes and giving you all the hot spots for food over here. If you follow me right around this corner, we have our waiting room where you'll go after you sign in. To the right, we have somewhere where you can get some water. And then to our left, we have two of our relaxation beds. This one right over here is our roller bed, and this one right over here is our water bed. Great way to relax either before or after you get your adjustment. And then over here, we have Dr. Patel's room. Her primary focus is pregnant moms or babies, but she loves to treat all ages. Her goal is to get everyone to be the best version they can be. All right, in the room right next to Dr. Patel, we have Dr. Kane, who has been in practice for 12 years and has been nominated multiple times as top chiropractor in our Metro Detroit area. Down this hallway, we have our massage and primary care room. Our massage therapist is Asia. She has been a licensed massage therapist for about 14 years, and her goal is to relax our patients, and she specializes in a couple different things, mainly Swedish and deep tissue. All right, so Elizabeth Oberly is one of our physician's assistants over here. She is also certified in functional medicine. Her main approach is holistic and healthy lifestyle. She not only teaches that to our patients, but she does it in her day-to-day life. Samantha is our other physician's assistant here at St. Clair Shores. During her studies, she realized the importance of a healthy lifestyle and prevention for acute and even chronic illnesses. Some of her main prevention goals is taking care of stress management, proper nutrition, sleep hygiene, and just a healthy lifestyle to help her patients reach their full potential. All right, right this way, we have our x-rays in our vital room. So during your appointment, we can get immediate feedback of your x-rays, and you can even leave with a CD of your x-rays on the same day.